Pray for it sounds funny. There we go.
Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, southwestern Stephenson County in northwestern Illinois, southeastern Jackson County in east central Iowa until 8 p.m.
Of course they issued a severe thunderstorm. It's way too big.
Severe thunderstorms were located
Actually, not really.
along a line extending from Green Island to Ideal, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeport, Mount Carroll, Savannah, Leonard, Pearl City, Cheyenne, Sabula, Chadwick, Mascot, Argo, Fay, Lawton, Thompson, Mississippi Palisades State Park, Wacker, Ideal, Center Hill, South Sabula Lake Park, Willow, Bolton, and Elmville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding.
300 doesn't seem to be doing
through
anything.
flooded roadways. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KZV 57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather.
Oh man, this thing's annoying.